Welcome to this step-by-step guide on safely removing the generator bond. Here are the tools you will need to get this job done. First, remove the black plastic panel housing bolts using an 8mm socket wrench. Next, remove the center screw from the fuel valve knob with a screwdriver, then detach the knob from the panel. Now remove the wheel bolt using an 8mm socket wrench, then take off the wheel. With the wheel removed, take out the 8mm wheel housing bolt, then remove the outer plastic housing around the control panel. You may unclip these wires to create more space if needed. Next, remove the screws securing the control panel. Gently lean the panel forward to access the internal wiring. Locate the neutral wire bond on the back of the panel. Remove the 7mm nut and detach the neutral wire from the bond point. To prevent unintended contact, wrap the exposed end of the disconnected white wire with electrical tape. Finally, screw the panel back into place, ensuring no wires are pinched. And that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below or feel free to contact our customer support. Thank you for watching and stay powered with DuroMax.